Hi. Hi, I'm Sarah. I have panic attacks every time I go outside, and I want Sunny Waddle.
I'm Melanie. I have a hole in my heart, and I want hammy shakes.
Hi, my name is Liv. I'm a recovering anorexic, really bad, and I want piggy cheeks.
Hi, my name is Sara. When I was a kid, my brother pushed me into a metal chair and broke my wrist. And I want Tappy Tush.
Ooh, I got the big one that Liv wanted.
Oh, you got all the ducks. It's a bird.
You should.
It's like a baby.
They do.
Oh, you got the same.
I got a piggy.